In the world of precision tubing, every millimeter matters. Meet the GJ20 high-frequency welding pipe production line. It starts here: high-quality steel coils, loaded and prepped. Through a symphony of 14 precision rollers, flat steel bends and curves, guided by dual radius groove technology. "100,000 watts of high-frequency energy fuses the seam in milliseconds. Post-weld, the pipe gets its finishing touches, shaving off excess, cooling for stability, and calibrating through 12 sizing stands. The result? A tube so precise, it's ready for the most demanding applications. At speeds up to 120 meters per minute, the cold-cutting flying saw delivers razor-sharp accuracy. Ready to upgrade your production?